He claims it still works.
It's broken, but just hope it flies.
Okay. But will it fly as good as this one?
Check out camera.
Uh-oh. Here we go. There it goes. The lean, mean cruising machine straight for the curb again. Oh, I can't hardly see.
I know, me neither.
There it is.
Let's just hope it doesn't fall apart right now.
That wouldn't be good. Still flying. Oh my. Oh, I lost it. Oh, it's way up there. I'm losing focus. Wow.
You hear it cutting off?
Yes.
Oh crap.
Uh-oh. Oh, it's coming in. Uh-oh.
We're losing.
Oh my God.
He's going pretty fast for what it's made for.
He's pushing it to the full throttle. Oh, I can't even see it now. Oh my God, I can't find it. Jesus! I think you're giving me flybys, aren't you? I can't see now. Uh-oh, where is it? I think I better put the camera down. Need to watch out for my head. God, wait. I'm a sitting duck out here.
Let's learn it now.
I'm a sitting duck.
Oh crap, oh crap.
Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, that's nice. Man, oh God. Jeez. Thanks for the warning.
Okay.
Don't hit my car.
Land it.
I'm standing behind the car. Oh, he's doing pretty good. Really good, Matt.
Yeah.
Success.
You got it.
Success.
It still works.
Good job. He's an ace flyer. True happiness. Yeah.
From a crash.
Uh-huh. Learn from a crash.